In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an ellipse that has a major axis of 4 units and a minor axis of 2.5. Then afterwards, I'm going to calculate the radius ratio of my shape. To begin, I'm going to my ellipse command, and I'm going to click on the drop-down menu and choose the center option. The program is going to prompt for me to identify the center of my ellipse. I'm going to click anywhere here in the black graphics area. Next is going to ask me to identify the endpoint of my first axis. Starting with my major axis being at 4 units long, I have to cut it in half to identify the endpoint, which would be 2 units. So with the program, I'm going to do a relative coordinates. So using the at symbol, 2 units, comma, 0. Press enter. Then next is going to ask me to specify the distance of my other axis. My second axis would be the minor axis, which is 2.5. However, I have to divide that in half, which would be 1.25. So using my relative coordinates, I'm going to use the at symbol again, 0 on the x, comma, 1.25 on the y. And at this time, it should produce you a ellipse with those two distances. To verify that everything is correct, I want to use my linear command, and I want to click the far end of my ellipse to the other side and come up, and you should see that it is 4 units. Using my linear command again, I'm going to choose the top, and I'm going to go down to the bottom, and as you can see, I have 2.5. So lastly, to calculate my radius ratio, I'm going to select the ellipse, I'm going to right click and go to properties. Here in the geometry section, I'm going to scroll down to the radius ratio, which is 0.06.625. This concludes this video.